Hi guys, what's happening? So today Jab Tak is gonna be releasing in about half an hour, and I'm really excited about this song. It features Sushant Singh Rajput as Dhoni and Kiara Advani as Sakshi, and it's a really special song because it's yet again Arman, me and Manoj Muntashir's combination. तो आपने पहले भी सुना होगा कुछ तो है was the song that we all three collaborated, which was a romantic song, and you all have given so much love to that song. So I'm hoping that same love comes through for Jab Tak. So without wasting any time, I'm gonna perform this song for you live right here on Facebook. And I'd like to say hi to all of y'all. Hi Ruchira, hi Kimlin, Mohar, Sarkar, how are you? Thank you. Yeah, a little chashmish today. And you have no idea how I've set this camera to just look at me and the piano. So let's see what I can do. So here it goes. जब तक तुझे प्यार से बेइंतहा मैं भर ना दूं, जब तक मैं दुआओं सा 100 दफा तुझे पढ़ ना लूं, हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, जब तक मेरी आँच में बूंद बूंद मैं जल ना लूं, जब तक तेरे साथ मैं चांद तक मैं चल ना लूं, हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो. I hope you all can still see me. 100 दफा तुझे पढ़ ना लूं, हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो. So first, I'll come back to singing. So let's see what's happening here. Thank you, Andrilla. Tanvi, thank you so much. This song is really special because it's got. Sorry, I'm just adjusting this camera once more for you guys. 1 second. Sorry for this inconvenience. Yeah, I think that should do it. Yeah. So I think for me, Jab Tak is a really important song. It breaks the regular norms of Bollywood songs. Maybe all the songs that I've managed to do till now, they've been really regular, good songs. Not that I'm not proud of them, but उनमें कहीं ना कहीं एक वो हुई भी चीज़ है, यानी it's been done before. But if you see, Jab Tak is that song which was composed on lyrics, and the lyrics that Manoj Muntashir sir wrote according to Neeraj Pandey sir's script. And it had the first line is so long. If you go to compose it, it's actually a very tough meter. कि जब तक तुझे प्यार से बेइंतहा मैं भर न दूं. That's just one line. So how do you make one line sound, concise and simple and catchy? It's such a tough thing. I just randomly, when I was working on it, मुझे लगा कि instead of going the regular route, I should try something like कि जब तक तारा रा ना 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 मैं भर ना दूं. तो ये जो तोड़ है टा टा, that's what I think changed the song. And I'm really grateful to Neeraj Pandey sir and Bhushan Kumar sir who went with something new. आजकल ऐसा बहुत होता है कि एक नई चीज को सब कहते हैं कि कुछ नया बनाओ, बट उसे एक्सेप्ट करने की पावर नहीं रखते हैं. I think both these individuals, Neeraj Pandey sir and Bhushan Kumar, had the guts and they went with a very unusual melody, unusual writing. And Arman also has done a wonderful song. Right now he's on his world tour. I think he's going to perform Jab Tak there also. So just give all your love. Jab Tak is going to be live at 6 o'clock on the T-Series music channel, YouTube channel, sorry. And I'm hoping you guys love it. And so just before going, I'm going to sing it back again for you all. जब तक तुझे प्यार से बेइंतहा मैं भर ना दूं, जब तक मैं दुआओं सा 100 दफा तुझे पढ़ ना लूं. हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो. तेरी आँच में बूंद बूंद मैं जल ना लूं. Thank you guys, lots of love.